Matt Duchene scores in double overtime as Dallas Stars oust Colorado Avalanche in Game 6. The Dallas Stars lost a ruling on Mason Marchment's apparent goal in overtime because of goalie interference by teammate Matt Duchene. But Duchene made it count in the second overtime as the Stars defeated the Colorado Avalanche 2-1 in Game 6 Friday night and earned a second consecutive trip to the Western Conference Final. Marchment's shot went in at 12:31 of the first overtime, but the on-ice officials ruled that Duchene had made contact with Colorado goalie Alexander Georgiev.